Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the COSTWAY portable washing machine, which features a twin tub design with a total capacity of 18 pounds, and the FADSC portable washing machine, a compact and foldable option with a capacity of 13L. We'll explore their specifications, user reviews, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The COSTWAY portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. This makes it ideal for larger loads, perfect for families or those with more laundry. In contrast, the FADSC portable washing machine has a capacity of only 13 Ls, making it more suitable for small items like socks and underwear. If you frequently wash larger items, the COSTWAY model is the clear winner here. When it comes to power, the COSTWAY portable washing machine has a washing power of 330 W and a spinning power of 110 W, ensuring effective cleaning and drying. On the other hand, the FADSC portable washing machine does not specify its power, but it is known to have less powerful wash and spin cycles. For users who prioritize efficiency and effectiveness, the COSTWAY model stands out. Design-wise, the COSTWAY portable washing machine features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it a bit bulkier but more efficient for larger loads. In contrast, the FADSC portable washing machine is compact and foldable, making it extremely portable and easy to store, ideal for those with limited space. Depending on your needs, you may prefer the functionality of the COSTWAY or the portability of the FADSC conjouage. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and FADSC portable washing machines have their strengths. The COSTWAY is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and more powerful cleaning, while the FADSC conjouage is ideal for portability and small laundry needs. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.